Okay, everybody, this is just a quick update about what's happening with the Commando engine rebuild. I know many people are out there waiting for the videos of the rebuild. I know some people have put their rebuilds on hold, waiting to watch the videos. And unfortunately, it's just a question that I'm way behind with it. Life has got in the way. As you may know, I've had to rebuild this Trident engine twice because it was smoking and I didn't know what the problem was, and it turned out to be badly fitted valve guides by my local engineers. But that took so long that I've now run into spring and summer. So then we've been away on holiday for a week, nice holiday in Madeira. Then I've had to spend 2 weeks laying a patio for my brother-in-law. Hard work and not recommended, but I promised him ages ago, because, we're now getting to summer. Then all the summer jobs around the house, I've got to plant the garden. You can't leave the garden. It's got to be done in the spring, and so on and so on and so on. So today is actually the first day I've been back in the garage since my last video. So since I last got the cylinder head back for the Trident. So I'm actually now putting the cylinder head back on the engine for the Trident. And so by the end of this week, the Trident should be finished. Then hopefully, all being well, I will start the Commando engine next week. However, the week after that, we go away on holiday again for 2 weeks because I'm retired now. So we go on holiday quite a lot. So I will do my best to start the Commando rebuild, probably starting with the gearbox because, as I say, the engine parts are still at the engineers next week. But if I do start it, then there'll be another gap for the holiday. And if I don't start it, then I won't start it till I'm back from holiday. But when I do start it, then hopefully we'll be able to get on. But as I say, it's life gets in the way, and engine rebuilding for me is more of a winter thing. I'm tucked away up here. I can't get out on the bikes. I can't get out to do whatever. And so engine work is great. In the summer, everything else gets in the way, and that's been the problem, that because I've been so behind with the Trident, because I've had to rebuild it 3 times now, not for my fault, but that's put me right back. Now we're in the summer, everything's getting in the way, so that's the problem, and I can only apologise because I know I'm waiting to do it, everyone's waiting, the owner's waiting for their engine back. All I can say is that when I do get started, hopefully bang, then I'll keep going till it's done. It shouldn't take too long, but that's all I can say. I can only apologise. And as soon as I finish this Trident, which I actually restarted today after a month, then I'll be on with the Commando. Okay.